How to rotate a video on CapCut app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to rotate a video easily. First thing, go to CapCut. This is the home page. Now upload the video from here or choose from your drafts. Right here I already have this video, so I'm just gonna click on it. Now after you upload the video, go down here and click on this little edit option. Click on edit. Now all what you have to do is swipe right here until you find another edit option. Click on this edit and you will find rotate option. Click on it. Now as you can see, you can rotate your video as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching until the end.